Hello, welcome to this channel. In this occasion, I would like to show you the tutorial of using Duolingo for school. First of all, you have to have an email, whether you are a student or a teacher. Well, now let's go to the website. It is www.schools.duolingo.com. Then click Login. Enter your email or username. If you don't have a username or email, please prepare before you log in. And if you don't have the account yet, please click Create Account. After you enter your password, click Login with Duolingo account. Then there will appear a teacher or student. Here, please choose what you want to be. In this occasion, I would like to be a teacher. Then I click Teacher. After that, you will see Create a Classroom. Click it, then it will appear Name of Classroom. Look Name of Classroom, language that your students are studying, and language that your students speak. Here I will name the class as Reg C. And the language that will be studied is English. And students' language now is Indonesian. Then click Continue. Then you will see how you can invite your students. There are two options. The first one is using Share Classroom link if your students already have emails. And the second is using Create Accounts for my students if your students don't have email yet. Here I choose Share Classroom link. Then look what appears then. You will get a link that you can share to your students or by using code. Then click Continue. After that, you will find setup instruction for students. You can download it as students' guidelines. Look, if I had already have students, they will appear here, and so do their assignments. On the left side, you can upload assignments. Choose Create Assignments. There are two kinds of assignments. The first one is by collecting points, and secondly, level up a skill. Here, look at Collect Points. There are types of assignments: Start on and Do on. Not only provide assignments, you can see English curriculum on the left side. You can see English curriculum for Indonesian speakers. And the last is class activities.